Welcome to Holy Cross. Here in this building and in our brand new one, students can learn, create, and think, with our classrooms providing a safe environment for both teachers and students to collaborate.
Here at Holy Cross, students can showcase their talents and a set of skills through various electives. From technical skills like computers, to business management, to visual and performing arts. Students have the chance to find and develop their interests.
Holy Cross doesn't offer just technical and critical skills. Our music program helps students explore their passions and polish their talents. Whether or not you just started out, the music program is a welcoming space, helping students to grow not only as musicians, but as individuals. These awards showcase our continued dedication towards musical excellence.
Another way we can show our school spirit is through our athletic environment. Our athleticism unites a school community with a sense of camaraderie, leadership, and determination.
Our school has a variety of fundraisers and school events that help support our school community, such as our annual walkathon. Our student leadership team is responsible for organizing the majority of these events, making sure our community's opinions are voiced and heard.
The student leadership team is not the only club that our school offers. Holy Cross offers a wide variety of clubs that cater towards people's interests, such as business, music, sports, and media, with this video being entirely produced by our school's media team, Web Team. Web Team is responsible for sharing information to the Holy Cross community through various forms of media, such as news, Instagram, and screens.
Most importantly, as a Catholic school, we make sure we embrace our faith, holding our Catholic values in many ways.
With monthly school masses, weekly chapel time, and grade level retreats, we provide opportunities for students to reflect, pray, and grow their spiritual relationship with God and their Catholic community.
I often get asked why Holy Cross. I think what makes us very different than a lot of places is the strength of the community here, the number of opportunities for our students to enter into leadership type positions. The school is in many ways, a lot of the events are run by students, and it's one of the things I really appreciate about the school. And I think the last thing I'd mention would be the balance. We have so many kids involved in athletics and arts, and there's a lot of crossover. Nobody just belongs to just one thing. So it's that community and that sense of belonging in a place where you're welcome to try anything you like.